Hello children. Today we discuss about the poem The Blind Boy. Before that, you must read this picture. In this picture, not only in this picture, we are seeing around us many blind peoples. Before you read, task. Look at the picture. There are two people holding the umbrella. What is wrong with the person wearing dark glasses? Discuss. Now I read the poem. Oh, say, what is that thing? Know about the poet. Kali Sibbar, born on November 6, 1671, died on December 11, 1757, was an English actor manager. He wrote 25 plays for his own company. Sibbar's political work was dreaded in his time and has been remembered only for being poor. His importance in British theatre history rests on his being one of the first in a long line of actor managers, and the interest of two of his comedies as documents of involving early 18th century taste and ideology, and on the value of his autobiography. Now I introducing new glossary words. Blessings means favor, happiness. Signs means sounds indicating sadness. Mourn, show sorrow or regret. A plus means unlucky. Cheer means gladness. Now I read the poem. Oh, say, what is that thing called light, which I must never enjoy? What are the blessings of the sight? Oh, tell your poor blind boy. You talk of wondrous things you see. You say the sun shines bright. I feel him warm, but how can he, or make it day or night? My day or night myself I make, whenever I sleep or play. And could I ever keep awake, with me there were always day. With my heavy sighs I often hear, you mourn my A plus Y. But sure with patience I can bear, a loss I never can know. Then let not what I cannot have, my cheer of mind destroy. Vigil thus I sing, I am a king, although a poor blind boy. With heavy sighs I often hear, you mourn my A plus Y. But sure with patience I can bear, a loss I never can know. Then let not what I cannot have, my cheer of mind destroy. Vigil thus I sing, I am a king, although a poor blind boy. Hello friends, today we discuss about the poem The Blind Boy. This poem is written by Kali Sibbar. Born on November 6, 1671 and died on December 11, 1757. He was an English act manager. Yes, he was the act manager. He is working as an act manager. He wrote 25 plays for his own company. Sibbar's poetical work was dreaded in his time and has been remembered only for being poor. Yes, his poetical work is become a mocking. It becomes a mocking from the society in those days. But later it gets its value. His importance in British theatre history rests on his being one of the first in a long line of actor managers. Yes, he was the one of the long line of act managers. It is history in British theatre history rests that is the first in a long line of act managers. And the interest of two of his comedies and documents of involving early 18th century taste and ideology, and on the value of his autobiography. This poem here, now I read this poem. What are the feelings? What are the feelings of a blind boy? This poem is completely involved that this poem is saying like that the blind boy is sharing his feelings. The blind boy is sharing his feelings and he asking what is the light and what is the world with others. How he feel, and also he appreciating himself. He also pride about himself. He don't think about his blindness is a negative part. He also thinking in the positive way. How he thinks in the positive way. All those things we discuss in this poem. Oh, say what is that thing called light? Oh, say please tell me what is the light? The thing, light. You are saying light. You are all saying that light. What is the thing? What is the thing? You say light, which I must never enjoy. I never enjoyed the light. I never enjoyed that light. I never seen because I am blind. So I never seen the light. You are saying that light. What is that thing? What are the blessings of the sight? Yes, what are the blessings? Blessings means happiness. What are the happiness you are enjoying or you are seeing in the sight? Seeing in the sight. What are the blessings you getting from the scene or sight? So please tell me. Oh, tell your poor blind boy. Please tell this poor blind boy what is the thing and what is the sight, what is the blessings or what are the happiness you getting the seeing this whole world in this life. What is that? Please tell me. He is asking about the light. You talk of wondrous things you see. Yes, you are always talking about the wondrous, means the great things, phenomenal things which are you are seeing in the world. You are talking about that. You are always talking about what are you seeing. You say the sun shines bright. Yes, you are saying like that the sun is shining in the bright. You are saying that sun is shining bright. But I feel warm, but how can he? I feel only warmness. I feel only warmness of the light, but I don't know how he is. How he is, I don't know, but I feel only warm. How can he? And also, or make it day or night. You are saying like that the sun is make day and night. But how can he make? I don't know. How can he make day and night? Because I don't know day and night. I don't know difference between day and night. He is sharing his feelings. The blind boy is sharing his feelings. My day or night myself I make. Yes, my day or night myself I make. Here the blind boy is saying that you are all are following the day and night because the sun is making. But here my day or night myself I make. Myself I make because my day or night or myself I make, because here whenever I sleep or play, whenever I sleep that is become night, and whenever I play that is night for me. The blind boy is saying like that whenever I sleep that is night, whenever I play that is day. So that's why I make myself day and night. But you are saying that the sun is making day or night. And could I ever keep awake? With me there were always awake. If I ever keep awake, if I am always, whenever I awake, Whenever I awake, that is become day for me. Whenever I wake or ever keep, I always keep wake, that becomes always day. Always that becomes day. Means day and night or making myself, if that is on my hand. Making day and night is on my hand. But you are saying the sun is making day and night. With heavy signs I often hear. Yes, with heavy signs. Yes, with heavy signs means sounds indicating sadness. Yes, I heard some sympathy words. I heard some sympathizing words and some that gives me sadness. The words I is heard oftenly because I am the blind boy. I heard many sad words. The words which gives me sadness and pain. That type of heavy words I heard. Heavy signs I often hear. You mourn my A plus Y, but you mourn my A plus Y, but these are unlucky. A plus means unlucky pains, unlucky sadness, unlucky sufferings. These are my unlucky sufferings I facing now. You are regretting, you are showing regret or mourn to my sadness because of my unluckiness. Because of my unluckiness, I feel very sad. You are showing your regrets. But sure, with patience I can bear. But sure, with patience I can bear, I tolerate. I can tolerate every pains and every tunes and every words. I can bear. With patience, I have lot of patience. I bear every tunes and patience, every tunes and words. A loss I never can know. Yes, I don't know the loss. I never can know. I never understand the loss because then let not what I cannot have. Yes, I don't have anything to get me lost. If I have anything, I feel lost. But I don't have to lose anything. So here he is saying, I lost, I never can know. Because that let not what I cannot have. I cannot have anything, then what can I have? What cannot I have? Why should I pay sadness? I don't lose anything. I don't lose anything. Because I don't have my sight, my eye. So I am blind, then I don't lose me. I don't get any loss I can know. Then let not what I cannot have my cheer of mind destroy. Because if whenever I know the loss, my cheer of mind destroy. Yes, my happiness of the mind, the peacefulness, my happiness of my mind will be destroyed. So why I feel sadness? Because I don't have anything to lose. Because I don't have the seeing ability. I don't have any pleasure from this worldly side. So I feel very sad because of the whole world is tunes. One word is the people are blaming or people are saying that their sympathy words also hurt me. You are regretting for me my unlucky sadness, unlucky sufferings. But I suffer, I tolerate all the pains and tunes and your regrets and sympathy words. Even though that also, I must have the patience to all tolerance. A loss I never can know, then let not what I cannot have. My cheer of mind destroy. Yes, whenever I think the loss, then it destroys my cheerness. Cheer means happy. The feeling of happy, it will be destroyed. The feeling of happy of my mind will be destroyed if I think about my loss. If I think about my incapability or my disability of that disability. If I think my disability, about my disability, I lost my cheer of mindness. The mind, the cheer of mind will be destroyed. If I think about the disability of mind, then that will be destroy the happiness of my mind. Happiness of my mind. So that's why I never think about the loss. I never think about the loss. Only I visual thus I sing, I am a king. Visual thus I sing, I make visuals to feel happy. I want to show my happiness. So I want to feel something happy with my visual in sing. I sing through the visual. I sing in the visual. The making visual is one of the art. Everyone is not doing like that, but few are only able to that whistling. They are also making some music in that whistling. So here he says that he sings when he visual does I sing. Yes, he sings visual like I sing. So yet I am a king. He feel himself as he is king because he can make his day and night. So he can make day and night. So that's why whenever he feels sleepy, he can sleep. Whenever he feels wake, he can wake. He don't bother about day and night and sunlight. So that's why he is saying like that. He is the king. He is the king, and although a poor blind boy, even though he was a poor, he was a king. He is saying himself as a king because he is feeling like that. He never think about his disability. He saying that his proudness. He thinking in the positive way. He is thinking in the positive way of his life. So that he says like that, I am a king. I am a king, visual thus I sing. When he sings with the visual, he has feeling of happiness, then he says he is the king. Because he feeling like that, the feeling of the happiness is like that, he is the king. Although a poor blind boy, even though he was a poor blind boy, he was singing. He is proud about himself that he is king. He feels proud about himself, he is a king. Even though that also he is a poor blind boy, he sings himself. Okay, this voice is the blind boy. In this poem, the blind boy sharing his feelings, how he feels. Because the blindness is when the blind people are facing many problems in their life. They are completely dependent on others sometimes. But nowadays, the technology and some classes, some coachings for them in the blind schools, they will be make them independent. But one way or other way, they are dependent on others for their daily life. Sometimes the eyes are very important to us to lead a life. So that's why here this poem shows us that the importance of our eyesight. The seeing the world gives us enjoyment. The sun, sunlight is how it is. The blind boy don't know about the light, so how he feels sad. He's sharing his sadness. But at the last, he proud about himself he feels like a king. He leading is like a king. So here, the blind persons, even though they have the lack of seeing ability, even the problem of seeing, but their concentration is very good. Their sixth sense, we are saying like that, the sixth sense, that is very good for them. The blind people have the hearing ability very nice. the hearing ability is very good. They are hearing very small words and small sound. They are also have the observation ability. The blind people are having observation by their ears. They are using more their ears to sense their organ. So here we have the 5 organs. There are 5 organs. These 5 organs are very important to lead our life. But someone are lost their eyes, or someone they don't have eyes when they are born. By birth they don't have eyes. They feel like this in this poem. So he is saying like that he don't know what is the light. He don't know the sun. Only he feel warm. He is feeling only warm. The blind people have the ability, that listening ability is very nice. That's why they are, most of the blind people have singing ability. So God is provide something that that made good, they balanced their life, that which they don't have. If the person is blind, he may be have the listening ability very good, and thinking ability also very good. And they are also gifted by God, that is singing. They gifted by God the singing ability. They will be, most of the blind people are sing very melodiously. They are very interested in singing because of their hearing ability. The loss of eyes, they don't have the eyes, don't have ability to see, but they see the whole world by their ears. By their ears and their thinking ability, that is 6th sense, that is we call 6th sense. So these their senses, 6th sense is make them very capable. Even though they don't have seeing ability, they can bear the life. So nowadays they have many more technical instruments for leading their life without depending on others. They can also work, that is called brain lipi, means brain lipi. They can also have that blind brain lipi. There is a special school for them to teaching. But even though that also we can teach them, or we can learn many things, but we don't keep them in the home. We must let them to the world. Let them to know about the world. They must be come out to the home. They mingle with the world. They must face everything, and they must be solve their problems with the help of eyes, with the help of other organs. They can manage everything. So we don't make them. We don't teach them those who are not capable or disabled children. So disability is no barrier to success. We have already seen that lesson in the Colors of Silence, that it says that disability is no barrier to success. So that's why we see many blind people also achieved many works in their life. So here the Stephen Einstein also is disabled for his motor neurological problem. Even though that also his mind works very technically, he is done very works. He had become a great scientist, even though his disability of his motor neuro problems. Even though that also they have many problems in their life, they have many disabilities in their life, they can achieve their goal, they can create many achievements, and they have done very good works of social useful works. They can do many social useful works. So that's why we don't make them neglect, or we don't teach them. We give opportunity to those who are disability children or disabled people. They can also do anything. So that's why we motivate them. We must encourage those people and we must support those people to do something in their life. So we don't depress or discourage disability children and disability people. So we respect them and we also give importance like that as we also give opportunity to lead their life as like us. So that's why here this poem, the poet says that the feelings is sharing the poet understand the feelings of a blind boy and imagine that how the his feelings may be, the blind boy's feelings may be. He understand that and he imagine that and write here the beautiful poem. He expressed that his feelings is there and also he proud about himself. He never thinking about in the negative way. How the thoughts is in the positive way. He feel himself as a king when he was sing. When he was sing, visual the sing, he feel himself as a king. That's why we hear the greatness of that blind boy is that is the positive thinking. Children, today we discussed about that, the blind boy. In this poem, there is some literary use, means the poem for the purpose of poems, means for the purpose of rhyme scheme. Here we use the short words, and also we use in the Old English. Here, one of the old use means a short form of use here whenever. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅಪಾಸ್ಟ್ರೋಫಿ ಇದ್ದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. VER. This is called whenever. Like that. In short form. And another one is there. Keep ಬಿಟ್ಟು were. That were ಅಂತ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. This is there were. This is called there were is used in the short form. Keep were. Where. And in the first stanza, I never I never. In here, I never, N-E-V-E-R. I never. In this poem, there is rhyming words are there. You must make list of the rhyming words. I will give few examples here. First line and third line. First stanza, first line and third line is rhyme. Sight. Like sight. Rhyming words like sight. Enjoy boy. Enjoy boy. Like that. In all paragraphs you can see that there is rhyming pattern. 1 and 2, 3 to 1 and 3, 2 and 4. Like that here rhyming words like sight, joy boy, CE, bright night, make wake, play day. Like that here rhyming pattern is that 1 and 3, 2 and 4 are the rhyming words. Like that it is the like pattern here in this rhyming scheme. This is called rhyming words. Hello friends, this is the homework. Match the following and frame appropriate sentences for each phrase thus matched. Okay children, you write this homework and bring when you come to the